Hi devs, Jenkins is more than just pipelines. In this crash course, I'll walk you through 5 powerful Jenkins features that most people don't use, but should. That will supercharge your CI/CD game and make your life easier. Let's go! Tired of duplicating pipeline steps? Use shared libraries to keep your groovy pipeline logic clean, reusable, and dry. Ideal for multi-repo setups. You can create dynamic build parameters with the Active Choices plugin, pulling live data from Git, APIs, or Jenkins itself. Hard coding secrets in Jenkins is risky. Integrate Vault or iOS Secrets Manager for secure, centralized secret management that Jenkins can fetch in real time. Want to run tests across Linux, Windows, and Mac? Use metrics builds to define combination of environments, and Jenkins will run them in parallel. Instead of polling, trigger Jenkins builds automatically via webhooks and API tokens. Perfect for microservices or event-driven pipelines. To recap, here are 5 powerful Jenkins features to explore. Shared libraries, dynamic parameters, external secrets integration, matrix builds, remote build triggers. These tools can level up your automation, improve security, and save you hours of pipeline debugging. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which Jenkins feature you want covered in a deep dive. See you in the next one.